Milestone Mafia.
Sil, take it easy.
I'm losing my balls over here.
Yeah, lost every raffle possible. And you know Sneakerhead ain't really messing with me like that. But whatever it took, these was coming home.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
What time is it? It's showtime. What is your profession? It's me, bitches.
Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
You can't keep getting away with this.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears listening. And today, as you see in the thumbnail and description, we're gonna go over one of the most hyped releases of the year. I'm talking about none other than the Jordan 1 Low times Trophy Room rookie card. Now, Trophy Room got a really long history. Some would say infamous history with their collaborations.
But I ain't one to gossip, so if anyone asks you, you ain't heard it from me.
Michael Jordan's son, Marcus, owns the boutique down in Orlando, which is aptly named Trophy Room as a nod to Jordan's trophy room at his house. Of course, all of those releases are surrounded in infamy because of the alleged backdooring scandal that was going on with his Trophy Room sneakers.
You know, again, everybody points the finger at me as if I was orchestrating this huge scheme.
You didn't backdoor him?
No. I have never backdoored.
But it's not like, you know what I'm saying, we have like, you know, solid concrete proof that it was going on or anything like that, right?
Nigga, did you know that I can see you?
But anyway, these Trophy Room lows, he debuted them on Full Size Run, and I was like, okay, yeah, I definitely had to have them. I had 11 people enter this raffle on Trophy Room store. It was EQL, so it was supposed to be, you know, run fair and all that, but apparently all of the stock went down to the folks that was in Florida, and we already know what it is with me and sneakers app. At the end of the day, ended up having to go the resale route, and it was not inexpensive, I will tell you that. Luckily, I had some GOAT credit. I just went ahead and emptied that account and brought them home. I'll be honest with you, I'm not really a big fan of the Jordan 1 Low, but when I saw these, I was like, yeah, these are gonna be the first one in my collection. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and unbox these, take a quick look at them, and you know how we do. Let's go ahead and put an outfit together and see if we can make it drip a little. First off, the packaging is out of this world. Comes with this faded out Nike Low box, vintage all around. Top of the box, Michael Jordan signature Trophy Room logo. Inside, you got the Jumpman with the, I want to say that's the skyline of Chicago. And check this out though. I'm saying, what an awesome touch to go right along with the theme being a nod to Jordan's Fleer rookie card. Premium issue, one pair of shoes, two extra set of laces. It gives it that extra layer of excitement when you're peeling the shoes out. And here we go. First impressions about the box.
Damn!
I know this is really cliche, but these are even doper in hand. All right, first thing that comes out to me is the satin on the toe box, going up the eye stays with the Trophy Room logo stitched on. On the toe box is a real smooth like leather. Also on the side panel, it reminds me of the Amama Air Jordan 5. Is this leather? Is this suede? I don't know.
It's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's a fairy dust.
It's just an amalgamation of materials with the stitched on Nike swoosh. Couldn't tell you what this material is on the tongue. And along the back, we have a corduroy with Michael Jordan's autograph right there. Sail midsole. Somebody help me out with this material right here on the ankle collar. Gold Jordan Wings logo. And the insoles. It's real comfortable too, man. Really good material here. Comes laced up with some black wax type laces. Also an extra set of white, but these yellow laces, that's the move. Absolutely. I mean, I gotta be honest with you. I mean, I really like this. The premium materials set it all the way off. Drip forecast for this 100% chance of rain. You could dress this up. You could dress this, you know, casual. For the rest of the year, I might get 2 wears out of this. Definitely something I want to put a suit on. All right, then, y'all. So there you have it, man. We got the Trophy Room Jordan Low rookie card in the house, part of the Reservoir. It was absolutely a must cop. It was supposed to be released in February, ended up being released in March. And listen, the stories around getting the sneaker, you know what I'm saying, the thrill of the chase is, you know, it's part of being a sneakerhead. So although I spent a little bit more than I wanted to spend for them, I'm definitely happy to have them. And of course, if you're enjoying what you're looking for, become a friend of mine by liking the video. Also, drop a comment. What were your thoughts on the Trophy Room Jordan Lows? And last but not least, if you want to become a friend of ours, go ahead and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on the algorithm. Other than that, I want y'all to stay blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.
What do you say to any question?
I take the fifth commandment.
And if they offer you immunity to testify against your union brothers?
I don't remember.
Don't remember what?
Nothing.
And of course, as customary, just in case I ain't doing these justice in hands, go ahead and take a closer look. And you know what? I think I got a fit for it too.
Pop it. Pop it.